This week in Ken's Tech Lab, we're going to do furniture that also includes tech. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody, and thank you for joining us today. We are going to be doing a little bit different with an end table. Yes, you heard right. It's a piece of furniture. This goes on the side of the bed, but there's a little bit different. Since tech is becoming so popular that they're having to incorporate it into all of our furniture, with also security in mind. So let's unbox this and you'll see what I'm talking about. We're going to grab our wonderful sharp putty knife. And I don't know how this is actually packed, so I'll know after we open this whether I can keep it up here or we're going to have to bring it out a different way. I'm normally used to doing printers, but printers come in the same big boxes as this. But I don't know how they actually pack this one inside. For the printer, I kind of understand what I'm going to get when I get it undone. There we go. Hopefully that's all I need. All right. Well, it is sort of wrapped like a printer. It's got the metal ends in the corner of the box to stop the corners from pressing in and hurting it. Let's see what we have to do. Okay, so this is a smart, see, Ken's Tech Lab. We stay with electronics, but we just don't know what form it's going to come in. Smart nightstand with safe cabinet. And this is the manual to do the installation. It looks like, well, there's not much. It looks like it pretty well comes all together except for the corner. You know how you have corners, like if it hits the wall, it protects the furniture. And it looks like I need to put those on, and that's about it. And so let's get to it. All right. So it looks like this might all come out in one piece. So let me get out of the box, get it on the tech bench, and we'll come back. Welcome back, everybody. So what I did was I turned it over and decided just to take it out of the box but leave the styrofoam connected so you can see Wayfair. That's the company that I got this from. And I really didn't know much about that company, Wayfair, until, well, I started looking for something like this. And they have a lot of good stuff. So I've also heard that their quality is very, very, very good. Nothing like those other big box stores that you put together things. I won't name no names, but this should be, wow, it's nice. A lot better than that. Okay. So let's find the bottom. All right, so let's get the correct, how this goes, the correct way. I see that this is the front. So it opens up like that. Okay. So let's just turn it completely over. Hurt anything. And we'll get it out of the box. Alright, that is the top. So that is, I do have the correct way. And that is the front. On the top here, and move it forward so you can see that, is you're going to see a ring or a square around it that is a light. In the middle of that light is the charger for your cell phone. So you just have to set your phone on the plate and start charging it with wireless charging. Excellent idea. It's got a soft touch button right on the top for the light. Right there where the two ends come together. So that would turn on off your light. It has sort of a white and then a off-white and then a dimmer off-white. Kind of nice. But I think the best thing, let's show you the top drawer first. Comes out just like nicely put together. Inside the drawer is the screws and the assembly equipment, which is not much. I wonder if it's got a protective. I don't see it. But here's what's really good is when you open up this, okay, that is a safe. Electronic safe, keep your valuables in. Heavy construction, and it's built into the cabinet. Very nice. I thought this was like a one-of-a-kind thing because it was hard to find. I saw it on TikTok, and I tried following it to get it, but I could never find somebody to purchase it from until I looked on and found it in Wayfair. All right. So let me hook this up and we'll see how it works. We'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. So I figured the first thing we'll do is assemble the feet for it. So because we have to move it around, so we'll move it over on its side. And this comes with 4 lower ends, all in the same very shiny and reflective gold. Nice color. Each foot comes with 3 feet and then the protective so you can't hit it against the wall. So they actually go like that to the corner. So it holds it up another 2 inches. Let's see what kind of screws I got. It's going to be Phillips. That's good. So let me get these screwed on and we'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. So I did all 4 of these. I'm just going to call them feet now, not protectors on the side, which I thought is they went like this and protected the side plus gave them the feet, but no. They are given the height of this an extra 2.5 inches. And that's good. I save them on shipping because it's a smaller box. So I put these on. They all come on with 4 screws apiece, Phillips. They're very sturdy and they match the gold color very nicely. So I haven't put this up on its feet yet to see the height difference. Let's see what we got. Very nice. So that did give you quite a bit of height. Also, that I noticed when I was putting this in, it's got a place, so this comes with power, of course. You have to charge your phone and the light. So it comes with a little power brick. This is what it does, 100 to 240 volts, and output is 2 amps, 12 volts. So I don't think the 2 amps is probably not a fast charger, but it will charge your phone. So what I found is on the bottom of this, the barrel connector, there's a spot right on the bottom to plug that in. And let's do that now. Let's see if I can do this without actually tipping it over. There we go. So it's plugged into the bottom, and from there go straight into your wall, or like I have here, an extension cord. Alright, she's now plugged in. You have a little blue light that's on the bottom, on the front of the power source, so you know that it's getting power. And let's see, let me tilt the camera up. Okay. Light, dim, then your white light. Now don't forget, this is supposed to be for nighttime, not to light up your room. It's just to have a night light next to you for nighttime, not for reading or anything else like that. So let's see what else this has. Okay, I have my cell phone here, and it's charging. So the charging works great. The light works. Let's see if the light works and charging at the same time. Yes, no problem. Excellent. Okay. Now, one of the other main things that I purchased this for was security. And that. So, we have a safe. And it looks well built. It's not going to be Fort Knox, but it's something. Let's see what we got here. This goes on the bottom. Sure, in shipping, it got flung all over the place. There we go. It also comes with 2 keys, and they're the Coke machine keys type. I don't know if you remember that, which has the round cylinder on them. And let's see what we got. There's actually a separate instructions for the safe. So it says, press the red button behind the door. Okay, there's the key lock. So now I can't unlock it. If I do, nope, but I do have an override key. I'm going to push this off the, there we go. Alright, something I'll have to figure out, might even take batteries. Let's see. Alright, sorry I had to cut it right there, but I needed to figure out why the safe wasn't working under the electronics part, and I kind of figured there was something to do with power and batteries. And yes, I found out. Let's see if you can see it. Right in here, it takes 4 AA batteries. And this starts out like to open the safe and use this code and to change the user code. But the very bottom is how to change the battery, not that it needs batteries. So I didn't know that it really needed batteries, but it worked, and it did work. I pressed the red button, set the code, I can lock it, and then, and there it goes, and you get it open. Excellent. So this is exactly what I was looking for, and the override key is just like it says. It's for if you forgot your code or the battery goes dead, you still have a way to get in. So that override will be covered up, and then you never know, it can take a key. I'll have the link down in the description about this and where I got it. I purchased this myself. This is no review from them sending me. I purchased this with my own money, and my reviews are my own. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ken's Tech Lab. And this is the Wayfair Smart Nightstand with Save Cabinet. And there's really not a model number, but like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. And like always with Ken's Tech Lab, stay awesome.